Hello, folks. Richard Fontana here. Now, thank you for checking out my product review. Before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. That's what I said, $10,000 a month. Now, this is an exceptional offer, folks. So I recommend that you grab it. And I have identified that product in the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can get the product from the second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you do, I will give you 5 exceptional bonuses for free. Bonus number 1 shows you how to build a Facebook group in any niche with up to 14,000 members and how to market to that Facebook group to make sales. Number 2 shows you how to create a recurring passive income online. And number 3 shows you how to act like a middleman on Fiverr. So when you get a high value gig, as an example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price and then deliver that to your buyer. And you pocket the difference in the process. That's how you become a middleman. And number 4 shows you how to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. And besides that, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. And number 5 shows you the current trends in affiliate marketing and how to outsell other affiliate marketers, plus much, much more. This offer also includes a list of resource articles for your benefit. Now, let's get on with our review.
Hey there, my name is Ashwath Shivaram. In the next few minutes, I will tell you about a 27-second trick that makes me $137.47 over and over. Every time I copy and paste, I'll show how you can avoid worrying about running out of money. When you're older, losing your savings to rising prices, or dealing with money troubles, get ready to break free from the fear of outliving your retirement savings, falling victim to inflation, or facing financial uncertainty. I'm about to share the exact system that effortlessly generates $137.47 in pure profits for me each day, entirely hands-free. No ads, no product creation, no services, and 0 customer service, just by working 30 to 60 minutes a day. Imagine waking up on a weekday without an alarm, free from stress. Your bank account is not only growing daily, but overflowing with cash. This reality can be yours, just like mine. I have a secret, a life-changing story. I firmly believe that taking action on this will be the most valuable decision you've ever made, potentially replacing your day job with an automatic money machine that guarantees income 24/7, 365 days a year. This system works tirelessly, so you don't have to. And today, you can duplicate this even if you have absolutely no experience, or do not have technical expertise, or without any existing list, clue, or money. Your journey to financial freedom begins now. With this unique method I discovered, I have managed to see a bit of success in my online marketing journey. I have boosted my income, and I have tripled my business. Ever felt stuck buying those 3-click systems that promise overnight wealth? It happened to me too. Got scammed by fake gurus, invested big in ads, but no returns. Social media ads? Just a trickle of traffic. Web pages left me confused, frustrated, and still at square one. I get it, it's frustrating. But here's the thing. I found a way out, a real solution. No more complicated systems or false promises. I've been through the scams and the letdowns, so I get your struggle. Now I want to share something that turned things around for me and can do the same for you. It's time to ditch the disappointment and discover a path to genuine success. Let me guide you to a method that actually works. Ready to break free from the cycle after a bunch of trial and error, I stumbled onto a winning method that's a game changer. And guess what? I built a nifty software to simplify the process. And here's the exciting part. I'm going to reveal it for you today. Why? Because I get it. I understand the challenges you're grappling with. Inside, I'm revealing the whole ecosystem of my online marketing system, the one keeping my pockets jingling every day. I want to wave goodbye to the hassle and dive straight into pocketing some real cash. This method isn't just effective. It's your shortcut to dodge frustration and start raking in money right away. Let's cut through the noise and make that money together. Introducing the Ultimate Wealth Builder. Discover a game-changing system that takes you from newbie to mastery effortlessly. It's 100% beginner-friendly, so anyone can dive in. All it takes is a couple of hours per day, following step-by-step training that's simple for everyone to understand. No tech skills or prior experience needed. Imagine unlocking a consistent daily income starting from day one. That's what the Ultimate Wealth Builder offers, an opportunity for success. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting, let's make your journey to success as easy as possible. This unique method I discovered is coupled with cutting-edge software. Has the power to revolutionize your future. No more relying on luck or guesswork. Along with the secret method, you'll receive the precise software needed. This automated solution not only handles tasks effortlessly, saving you time and minimizing errors, but also has the potential to deliver fast-track results, ultimately contributing to your financial gains. Witness the results in record time. The Ultimate Wealth Builder paves the way for you to effortlessly start making money online. Act now, as the price is on the rise, and delaying your purchase could mean you'll have to pay a lot more for this Ultimate Wealth Builder. Remember, this is a time-sensitive offer with strict limitations. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to eliminate all financial uncertainty and give you the best life that you deserved. So, you've got two options here. You can sit right there on the fence and live a mediocre life of misery, or you can buy Ultimate Wealth Builder, and I'll open the door to a world you didn't even know existed, where you can create abundance on demand, just one tiny commitment right now, and you'll have a 5-year shortcut to wealth in your hands immediately. Ready to break free from financial worries? Act now and transform your life with the Ultimate Wealth Builder. Click the below buy button to unlock the 27-second trick and start making $137.47 over and over again. Don't miss this limited time opportunity for financial freedom. Your journey to success begins with a simple click. Just click the buy button right now to grab your copy of Ultimate Wealth Builder.
And oh yes, before I go, check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below. You will not be disappointed. And remember my 5 bonuses. They show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic, buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference, gain reoccurring income online easily, earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system, and how to conduct your affiliate marketing business easily. Now, thank you for watching, and don't forget to purchase this product. Bye for now.